Hey everybody, Mike here. So I got a new set of floor mats in the mail today. I want to go and get these things out and get them put in the truck. I've been long overdue. The set that I've been running on is about 10 years old. Now these were actually given to me to try out and test by the brand. In exchange, I told them I'd give them a review. This should be really close to what I'm taking out of the truck now though. This is a different brand than I was running currently, but in all honesty, a lot of these things look a lot like the same. So I want to see out of the box if these look a lot like the ones that I just took out of the truck. So if you've never owned a set of these floor mats before or something that's comparable to these are precision fit in your vehicle. Basically, they scan the inside of your vehicle and make these things fit snug, so there's absolutely no issues in fitting with these at all. So let's go and get these over and put in the truck and I'll show you what they look like. Let me go and get this passenger one in here for you real quick. And basically all you do is just slide them in like a normal floor mat. But what's nice about them is they fit snugly in all the cracks and crevices. And one of the nicest part about these is they overhang your door sill here. So if you do have any water on your boots or you spill any drink or anything of that nature, instead of it hitting your carpet or rolling down underneath this trim piece, it rolls right off the side of the door here. And it kind of helps you keep a lot of the mess out of the vehicle. And then if these things do get nasty dirty, you take them out and you can basically just rinse them off with a hose and some soap and water and you're good to go again. Now let's go slide to the back seat and we'll get that one knocked out. Now this one here is a little trickier to get in just because of how the seat is. So it takes a little finagling, but we'll get her in here. But that's the nice thing about these is once you get them in place, they don't slide around on you. Come over here and get this side in real quick. And just like that, that one's back in place. That's a nice snug fit. Okay, let's go get this last floor mat in here real quick. And that's all there is to it. Nice precision fit, just like the other two mats. These things very closely resemble the old mats I'm taking out of the truck that I've had for over a decade. In all honesty, those other mats that I had still look really good for considering their age and the amount of abuse I've put them through. The only difference is I've worn a little bit of the material down in the center just from where my boots have been all these years. But as I've already mentioned, these things are extremely easy to keep clean. You can basically just take them out of the truck, take them over to the hose them down, throw a little soap and water on them, maybe take a light brush or rag to them just to rinse off the hard to get dirt, and they're right back to looking new again. You slap them back in the truck and you're good to go. If you're not looking for a nice set of quality floor mats, I think these are going to fit the bill for you. They're a little bit more of an investment than some of your basic floor mats out there, but the trade-off is these things will last you forever. They're precision fit and they help keep a lot of the dirt and grime off the carpet in the vehicle and keep the vehicle looking nice for years to come. Other than that, that's all I've got for you on this one today, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.